Hi everyone, we are back for 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦. In today's video, I will guide everyone. We're going to comment on groups. This is my own marketing software. This software just supports posting and auto comment always. Here is the function. Then here we'll have this comment function. And here we can comment on the article. Let's use this function. Before using this function, I will enter your account into your software. I have a little bit of a part here. I will enter this account into the previous software. I will go to this account manager. I will add it, and I have a list. Look at the part. How to enter. Nick, in the most detail, let's see. On the side of the screen. I'll be able to be there. Is the video tutorial details. I'll add this, and these accounts are the ones that have already appeared. These are the accounts I've used before. And I'll just enter more and people note that. We have to feed Nick. We have to keep a lot of accounts. And we have to feed for a long time, so from there, well, it starts with the software. And Nick is fine, and it's going to help people in that part of the world. Can women be effective? Now everyone's first sword is the weak Nick. The second is Nick. And not enough. Healthy like this, when people use it, it's very influential. And it doesn't last. That's why. The second one is when people don't be afraid of Nick. Is it a Nicklock or a sow? Now the software is born to serve us. We bought Nick back to make it work. And let it auto-comment the post. Let it get us customers. If it's a couple of them, it's part of the cost we pay. It's very small, so don't be afraid. I have a 10 Nick. And then he died a couple of times. Everyone is as sorry as I am. I have hundreds of them. I keep dying and raising another wave. There is always a sow. Once it has successfully logged in, if the login is successful, I will close it. Next count. When there is Nick. So the next step is to do what? We have to create content. The content here, well, today we will comment. If we have one, we will create another one. Here's how to create this category and add this article. More articles, people note that we have to choose the right one in the comment section. Mitsubishi. Here, when we add the article, we will choose this comment category. So what do we do in this section? We comment, right? Then we have to choose the comment. If people click on that post, when we go, select the comment, then it won't show up the cards. It should be noted, texting is the same. People will have to choose the right text message. Or somehow we choose this comment. The title we just need to fill in. Oh, let us remember, this is because it won't be on Facebook. So now I have a content. Well, everyone should be. If you do more content, it will be more effective. And here I just need to create one content only. And down here we'll have the structure. As a structure, spin means we're going to have two content comment. It will automatically take one of those, the content of that comment, or we leave a lot. It's going to have to follow this structure. And down here we'll have more parts. Oh, more. I'm going to add a random icon. I will give this smile. This is mine. Or whatever's down here. People add it to when? Well, all the nicks it's supposed to be. Duplicate comment. Then it will have changes. A little different. Well, this one should be a lot more transformative. It would be better. If you comment on the photo, we will upload this photo. Usually, we should leave a comment. Or a couple of pictures. Then I finished the comment and saved it. Now that I have this comment, I have one. It will appear quickly. There is always this one. I will now run the comment function. Let's show this to everyone. Here I am first. Everyone is in this comment. It's here. People note that we're going to choose this account. I have not posted this. If I can enter, I can ignore it. Here. Where will we comment? Then we have to check this box, this comment. Who goes this group or groups that have joined this? That or group ID. Is that we're going to look for groups on Facebook? It's these uncensored groups. And then we can scan in series, and we'll always use it. Is auto comment on the group ID. I have scanned out the group ID and will export this file. I will go to the top for easy searching. Here it has appeared here. So here we'll have these group IDs. Here are these group IDs. So now we're going to copy this group. Go back to the software. Here we will enter the ID. Enter the ID and we will fill it out. This 𝐓𝐞𝐿 is a sticker. We've pasted these AI groups here. Then we stay. I've selected about 58 of these. Here we go next. We will choose the time. This time will be a time of oscillation, meaning I'm here to make the back number bigger than the front number. That means it's going to be 10-20 seconds for a comment action of an account. Then here we will allow posting. Inside content or not, we will check the boxes. It's like this. Cell. Here we are each. Maximum comment account posts on the group. So here we're going to do a math problem. For example, we will let, if there are 3 posts on a group ID, we comment on a group. If it is 3 by 1, it is 3 comments. There are 3 comments that if we are here are 3. Then 3 by 3 it must be 9 post total is 9 comments. It's this number, people. If Nick is normal, we should just comment this one group and comment 3 posts on a cell group ID. This is a matter of not commenting. And this group ID everyone has to check in. Let each Nick comment on a different group to avoid duplication. And it's not very good. When the installation is complete, it's simple. We just need to press start. Here is my software. It's this version now. If it's our latest version, it's let it run in the background. And don't let it run like the old version. It won't need to be opened. And it'll automatically run. So don't worry, people, it'll pay. Give everyone the results here. And when it starts running, it will. Always the result means no on this BA means. Well, people do. Fill quantity. Here, it's going to capture BA over 1. 3 by 1 is BA. If everyone, this number is BA, then immediately this will jump back to number 9. Hey, That. It's already jumped. Successful comment, then it will jump this one on this BA. Here in this comment. This is currently the 31st of March 2025. Here we have the comment content. Let's check out a few comments. That. So here I have these comments. That's the content of this comment. Here a minute ago. Here it is. I have a lot of comments above. This difference. The software will return the result. How did we comment on that? What? In that way, I gave instructions. Everyone can be auto. Commenting on the group is a job. Write those. What is the content? Well, it depends on the content and people's products. Then people can be customized and optional, and customize it if people are hiding content. Then you can contact me. When I buy my software, I will help. Is the tutorial is how to post this comment. And also the content. I will guide everyone. How can we create content? To comment, make it work. And I'm National Day. Hello everyone.